we've come quite far in our observations that the equation of a straight line in Cartesian plane is very similar to the structure of the equation of plane and associated formulas in three-dimensional geometry. So therefore the story continues with the equation of parallel planes as well. Of course, if you have two parallel planes and if you write down their Cartesian equation, you would observe that the respective coefficients of x, y and z in the two equations would be either equal or they would be proportional to each other. And thus this helps us in finding out the distance between parallel planes as well. Let's look at the formula for that. Let a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equal to 0 and a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d2 is equal to 0 be two parallel planes. As you can observe, the x, y and z coordinates for the two planes are same. The only difference is in the constant terms. If you can recall, the equation of two parallel lines also has same or proportional x coordinates and y coordinates and only differ by the constant term. And if the constant term is also same, then we say that the two lines are coincident, right? So for unique lines which are parallel to each other, the constant terms are different. Similarly, for unique planes which are parallel to each other, the constant terms must be different, otherwise we are talking about the same plane. The distance between these planes can be obtained by taking any point on any one of the given planes and finding the perpendicular distance from that point on to the other. Suppose let's choose the point x1, y1, z1 on the first plane. So therefore from there we'll try to write the formula for distance of the point from the second plane, and then we will get a1 x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1 z1 plus d1 is equal to 0, and then substituting that in the second equation we will get that the distance between those two points, and thus giving the distance between the two planes as d1 minus d2 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square. So therefore we get the distance between two parallel planes as d1 minus d2 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square, just like we do for finding out the shortest distance between parallel lines. It's not the shortest distance, it is the distance between parallel lines. Is given by c1 minus c2 divided by the square root of the sum of the squares of x and y coefficients. So if r bar dot n bar equals d1 and r bar dot n bar equals d2 are the vector equations of parallel planes, distance between them is given by magnitude of d1 minus d2 divided by the magnitude of the vector n bar, which is the vector normal to the two planes.